What's something Tesla owners often miss about their side cameras? They can fail for a bunch of simple reasons. Let's break it down, fast. First, the basics. Your Model 3's side cameras help with blind spots, parking, and autopilot. But if you see a black screen or an error message, don't panic. The most common reason? Dirt, water, or even snow covering the camera. Give it a quick wipe, and sometimes, that's all you need. If that doesn't work, your car might just need a reboot. Hold down both steering wheel buttons until the screen goes black, then wait for it to turn back on. Easy. Still no luck? Check for software updates. Tesla fixes lots of camera bugs with updates. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi, and let your car update itself. Finally, if the camera is still not working, there could be a hardware issue, maybe a loose wire or a faulty camera. In that case, book a service appointment with Tesla. Don't try to fix it yourself. So, next time your Model 3 side camera isn't working, remember, check for dirt, reboot the system, update the software, and if needed, call the pros. Easy fixes can save you a trip to the service center.